Meaning of development.
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 Development. Development refers to the process of growth, progress, and advancement in various fields such as technology, economy, education, and society. The result of development can be measured by improved living standards, increased productivity, enhanced skills and knowledge, and better quality of life. It involves identifying needs, creating solutions, and implementing strategies to achieve sustainable change and improvement. Development is not limited to individual or national level but also encompasses global issues such as poverty reduction, environmental protection, and social justice. Ultimately, the goal of development is to create a better future for humanity by leveraging innovation and collaboration.